Hey everyone, and welcome back to Wheel Wonderland, your home for all things Hot Wheels, real cars and pure driving passion. If you love speed, design and automotive legends, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and join the ride, because today we've got something truly legendary for you. Today we're bringing an absolute icon into the spotlight. The Nissan GT-R R35, tuned by Liberty Walk. This isn't just any car, it's a rolling symbol of Japanese engineering excellence, famous for taking down the world's best supercars without breaking a sweat. Since its launch in 2007, the GT-R R35, nicknamed Godzilla, has dominated track records and redefined what a street car can achieve. We're talking 0 to 100 km in under 3 seconds, victories in GT championships, and a legacy that commands respect from every corner of the cosmos. And Liberty Walk? They've taken this beast and turned it into a piece of moving art. Wide body fenders, lowered stance, aggressive aero, every detail screaming attitude and performance. But today we're not just admiring it, we're putting it to the test. How aerodynamic is this wide body monster? How does that huge stance affect airflow? Time to find out in our exclusive wind tunnel test? Let's watch the air dance around those brutal fenders and that massive rear wing. Look at those flow lines. Despite the aggressive body kit, the Liberty Walk GT-R maintains surprisingly clean airflow over the roofline and rear. The wide fenders create turbulence, sure, but that's part of the look and function, cooling the brakes, enhancing grip, and giving it that fierce track-ready presence. Aerodynamics meets pure street style, and this model nails both. If you're as blown away by this beast as we are, smash that like button, drop us a comment, what's your favorite GT-R generation? And don't forget, subscribe and stay tuned. We've got even more unboxings, wind tunnel battles, and full-on car stories coming your way. Thanks for riding with us at Wheel Wonderland, where every car tells a story. See you in the next adventure.